Are you sure you're turning off your computer the right way? Most of us just hit sleep, shut down or restart without thinking twice. This can lead to various issues, mess up with your workflow and cause problem with your system. Let's make sure you're doing it right. So stick around until the end and you will understand this option like a pro. Imagine stepping away from your desk for a coffee, lunch or even a quick YouTube break. What do you think what is the best option to choose? Sleep mode, right? Think of it as pausing your computer. All your work stay open and your computer uses minimal power and you can resume instantly. It is efficient and time saving. What if it's end of the day and you're planning to continue tomorrow? Hibernation is the way to go. It saves all your file, tab and application on a hard drive and completely shut down. And the best part, it uses zero power. So no surprises when you power back on. Listen, if you can't find this hibernation option, follow this quick step. Go to your search bar and search, choose a power plan and click on power plan. Here choose what the power button do. Here you can see the hibernation box is unchecked. Click on change setting that currently are unavailable. Check the hibernation box and save changes. That's it. If you found this helpful so far,
so please whatever.
Hit that like button and share this with your friend. They will appreciate knowing the right way to handle this option. Is your PC running slow or acting strange after update? Restart is the fix you needed. It refreshes your system, clear temporary files and resolve background issues. It's like giving your PC much needed reboot. If you're done for the day and won't be using your computer for a while, choose Shutdown. It powers down your system completely, save no progress and ensure a fresh start next time you turn it on. If this video saved you from making the same mistake ever again, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below and share this with your squad. Trust me, they need this information. Alright, that's it for today. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.